You know, people are saying that it takes money to make money, but those people don't know one thing, that you can make money from anywhere in the world using this cool strategy. If you want to make money online, if you want to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars, then keep on watching. If you want to know how ordinary people generate an extraordinary income, then don't skip any part of this video. In this method you won't have to be on camera, you won't have to shoot anything, and you won't need any special skills for this. But before we start, well, simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first thing I want you to do is to come over to youtube.com and let me just show you an example. This channel right here is posting relaxing sounds, and these are several minutes to 1 hour long video. These videos are a compilation of music which are relaxing. A lot of people watch this type of video. If people are stressed out, they come over here and listen to this. Some people who are having a hard time sleeping also listen to this. They don't need to watch the video because all they have to do is just listen to the track for the music, and that's it. People usually listen to this whenever they are meditating, reading a book, or just want to rest, so people will just play this video and just leave it on like that. I love this because you can create over an hour long video like this, which means you can put a lot of ads in this video. The more ads in this video, the more money you will earn. If you don't know yet, you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized. Assuming that you are a complete beginner, it's possible that you still don't have that number subscribers and watch time. You don't have to worry, because in this video I will also teach you how you can earn money not through ad revenue. I will also share a secret tips on how you can easily get thousands of subscribers and watch time. You guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, take a look at this. This video has millions of views, and if you click this video you will see that these are just simple images and just a bunch of compiled tracks. So as I hover my mouse through the video, you can see that there are a lot of images and they just have a little motion effect. These types of videos getting millions of views. This type of video will get you a lot of watch time, and this is important especially if you want your videos to go viral. So as people meditate or read a book while listening to this track right here, they don't know that they are contributing watch hours or watch time. The more watch time, the more views the videos are going to get, because YouTube has an algorithm where videos that have a lot of watch time get featured. YouTube wants to keep their users on the platform, so they have to feature videos with a lot of watch time. That one of the essentials if you want your video to go viral. Make sure you have a lot of watch time. Now let's take a look at how much of this channel is making. This channel uploads around 3 to 4 videos per month, and just like that they garner hundreds of thousands of users, even up to millions. This means that they only do 3 to 4 o'clock hours of work for maybe 5 o'clock hours of work per month. With those 5 o'clock hours per month, this channel earns thousands of dollars. Now that is just a rough estimate, but now we'll go to socialblade.com to see how much they are earning. Social Blade is a free tool online where you can monitor other channels' earnings. So now I am going to look for Soothing Relaxations profile. This is how much they earn every year. Emitted monthly earnings $18.9K to $301.7K. Estimated yearly earnings to $26.3K to $3.6000000. Imagine working 45 o'clock hours per month and earning up to $300. That's a lot, and that's just from the ad revenue. Right now we need to find free images to download so we can use them in our video. I want you to go over to Unsplash.com. Unsplash.com is a website with free images. These images are of high quality and they are so unique, the internet's source of really usable images powered by creators everywhere. You can download images from this website free of charge. You are not going to get a copyright strike at all. That's why I love this website. You can go over here and search for different keywords like nature. For example, you want to make relaxing videos, and nature is known for being the place to be whenever we need to relax, so we're going to download nature photos. So there are a lot of results here, and these are all high quality images. I want you to pick multiple images so that we can tell them later as we create our Soothing or Lexington. So for example, I like this one right here, so I'm just going to click on this arrow pointing down. This will start the download automatically. Now I want you to do that multiple times. You can compile at least 10 photos per video. Aside from Unsplash.com, you can also go to Pexels.com. Excels also have a lot of free images, and they also have a lot of high quality videos, all for free. You will not get copyright strikes. For sure, you can do what we did with Unsplash.com. You can just search nature or whatever you want to search, and then the results will them to load like so. So that's set. For step number 1, we have to find photos and videos which are copyright free to be used in our video. No Let's proceed to step number 2, which is looking for free audio to be compiled. What I want you to do is to go over to google.com and search for the YouTube audio library. This is on the official website of YouTube. You can find us at the Creator Studio as well, but it's easier if you search it on google.com. Here is the audio library, and you can see a lot of free audio and tracks which can download on our computer. These are all copyright free audio. Some audios might not be fully free because you have to credit the artist, but all in all this is copyright free, so this means we can use all these ideas here and still monetize our videos. And I love how YouTube itself permits us to use this. You can select the gender, mood, instrument, duration, and actually fusion. For example, I want to select calm under mood. I'm just going to click on that and the results will automatically show here. For the genre, I would want to pick ambient. Again, results will show here automatically. This is convenient for us. What we are going to do next is select different tracks and download them. You need to find 10 to 20 tracks and download them. It's that easy. That's it for the second step. Our third step is to combine the photos and videos with the audio using free software. You can use OpenShot, and that is over openshot.org. This is free to download and this is very easy to use. If you are using a Mac, you can not a movie. If you are using Windows, you can use a movie maker. And if you don't want to download any software and you just want to work online, then that is pretty doable. You can go over to Claudio.com. Take a look at this. When you are already here at Claudio.com, you can pick either slideshow or video. You can also either pick merge. Okay, let me show you an example. Let me click on the slideshow and then we're going to add our files here. So click on this button and let's look for our downloaded files. Let me upload the nature photos like so. It's going to load like this, and once it's fully loaded you will be redirected to the online editor. Once you're done adding those images and setting everything up, I want you to add audio here below by clicking on this button. This is when we add our downloaded audio files. If you want to play the video, just click on this play button right here. If you like everything and if you think everything's already good, then click on create here below. This software will create the slideshow for you. Once you're done downloading it to your computer, you can upload it on your YouTube. Now it's time to show you the part where we will be earning money. One of the ways in making money using YouTube is through AdSense, but we won't be doing that because our channel is going to be a new channel, which means it's going to take a while for you to build a 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of watch time. So we are going to do an alternative way. Well, if you want to wait for a 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of watch time, you can do that, but if you don't wait for, then we can proceed to next step. If you want to make money, then we move to affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you can add your link in the description of your video. Make sure you add your link at the top of your description so that the people can see it. You might see it that people are asking where we are going to see affiliate links. We will be getting them from Amazon affiliates. You can even search on Google for Amazon affiliate program for easy access. You can access. Go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. We need to sign up for an account, so to do that I want you to click on sign up button right here. Earn up to 10% in associate commissions for qualifying purchases and programs. What this means is that whenever you refer someone to a product or a plan or they buy it, you get a 10% commissions. So for example, a product cost $100 and someone buys that product through affiliate link, which means you will get 10. That's not the best part of the video yet, because you have a 24-hour cookie, which means everything they buy on Amazon for the next 24 hours you will get 10 out of, which can end up being quite a lot of money just from one single person. Another question which you are dying to ask is, what type of products are you going to promote? I need you to go over to Amazon and search for relaxation. What I mean about this is that you can search for any product that can help relieve stress and make you relax. It helps us if you put it that way, because a lot of people come over to these channels like this one so they relax themselves with music. What you are going to do is refer them to these products that can help them relax, so there's a great chance that they will be buying those products with your affiliate link. So if you type in Relaxit Cayenne and hit enter, you will see a lot of different products which can help you relax. You can choose whatever you want here as long as you think that people are going to buy them. Once I get your affiliate link, paste it in your YouTube video description, and that's it. After all of that, what you have to do is constantly upload videos, at least 3 to 4 videos a week. That way the YouTube will notice that you are active and they could put you in the algorithm and you can be featured on YouTube and could be recommended to users who usually listen to these types of videos. And again, you will not only earn money through a dragon, but you can also earn more money, even 2 to 3 times. And with the affiliate program, put that affiliate link and take advantage of it. And that's it. Before we move further, don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notice of my new video, and I will see you in the